wonder, how do you know who you are? That's a silly question, right? But sometimes we're confused. What is the essence, the soul imprint inside of me? Just like I have a different face that every single person in the world, there is a distinction between my individuality and the collective, even though all the collective is inside of me and I'm inside of it, because it is in that duality, there is oneness. But how do I know what I came here to do? What is my purpose? What is my soul contract? It's very easy. We have to tune in to the channel, have to tune into our inner channel, the one that is vertically connected with the divine force, with the universe's life force, with that fine-tuning that speaks from the heart outwards. And that is called our intuition. We all have an inner teacher. Since we are little, you knew if you did something that wasn't right, you felt this is not right. It made noise. You knew inside. You still may do it, choose to do it anyways. As adults, we're the same. We may not get, in trouble by doing the wrong things, but we get trouble with ourselves because we are venting and pivoting away from our path with heart, our path that gives meaning to our lives. And the only way to pivot back to a soulful existence with purpose and meaning is to start redirecting our lives to listen and fine-tune with that message, with that intuition, so that we can manifest and sculpture out of ourselves the very life that we are meant to live, the one that we love because we are in tune, we're aligned, and everything is in sync, body, mind, emotions, and spirit. So I tell you, because I had to do that. I grew up in dictatorship without the external world did not reflect who I wanted to become, and it was a lot of work to make that distinction between the outside noise and my inner noise. So let's do it together. We're stronger. Thrive being you. Everybody else is taken.